Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can add a Contact Us page in your Woocommerce website. So let's get started. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. From the left menu, go to Pages and then click on Add New. A new page will appear. Here type Contact Us as the page title. Next, to add a contact form, go to Plugins, Add New, and search for Contact Form 7 or WForms. Install and activate the plugin. After activation, create a new form inside the plugin and copy the shortcode it provides. Now go back to your Contact Us page editor and paste the shortcode inside the content area. You can also add text like your business address, phone number, or email below the form. Once done, click on Publish. Save the menu and refresh your website. Finally, open your store and you'll see a Contact Us page where customers can easily send you messages through the form. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.